Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a floating object effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, import CapCut and create a new project. Import your background video. Then import the object image. And after that, position the object you want it to float. Then, tap on the image and go to animation. Then, select slide up to make it rise naturally. With the object selected, go to Effects, then Body Effect, then search for Pendulum and apply it. Adjust the intensity and speed to make it look smooth. And this is how it look like. And that's it. Now you know how to create a floating object effect in CapCut with just a few clicks. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.